So, we are back live from the Rancher booth at KubeCon. I'm here with Rob from Rackn. How are you doing today?
I'm doing excellent, thank you.
So how's your conference going?
Conference is amazing. Oh my God, there's so much going on, there's so much spirit, there's so much energy. And I feel like I know everybody already, because right, OpenStack and then the Kubernetes communities, like, they come together,
yes,
super fun, just amazing.
So, what sessions have been exciting? What new is released here? What's exciting right now?
Oh my goodness. Sessions for me are hallway track. I am strictly hallway track, meeting people, talking, having conversations. Yeah. The things that are exciting to me are watching multi-site, multi-cluster, talking about operations. I do a lot on edge and edge infrastructure type of work, and so like Rancher's in, K3S announcement, that was super exciting. Seeing these applications specialty, but then making it so that you can do infrastructure as code and replicate it across thousands of sites. So we've really tried to work on the physical layer automation, making it portable and repeatable, single pane of glass, but yet multiple sites that are all autonomous.
So kind of applying like DevOps automation principles to hardware.
Yeah, exactly right. So it's like cloud native bare metal if you want to think about it. So anybody doing cloud native, immutable infrastructure, intent-based computing, right, CI/CD pipelines, all that stuff, that's what we do, but at that physical layer so that you have the foundations that you need to build a great data center. Then you can layer something fun on it like Kubernetes or Rancher, K3S, right? That's where the abstractions really start to work together and you keep it simple, tightly coupled, and it's a powerful thing.
So we deal with a lot with the enterprise. I imagine you all do too.
We do.
So for enterprise companies out there, big large sub companies, what would success look like with the combination of Kubernetes, Rancher, and what Rackn provides?
That's exactly right. So what we would help them do, especially for enterprises, they're still virtualizing like crazy, so we're going to help them build a virtual cluster, VMware cluster, something like that, and basically make that environment super powerful, very easy, automate, bring up the whole infrastructure in an hour. And so that's the type of experience that people are looking for. And what's fun for us is it's not just about can you install things in an hour, it's actually can you reinstall. So it's that day two story that enterprises start really thinking about, repaving their data center and saying, all right, I need to patch my BIOS, let's do that in a controlled, consistent way and roll it through. But we love that this sort of Kubernetes mindset of continuous deployment, immutability, like fixing things all the way down the stack has come into enterprise more, and they're looking at how do I take my data center and roll out a patch in a monthly basis or faster. And when you can start thinking about your data center as much more fluid, it's more robust, it's more resilient.
Boy, and for the business and developer, it's an afterthought for them. They can build business software because operations is just working all the time.
And that's an important thing. Small incremental changes are much safer.
Yes.
Right, I mean, I know data centers where people are still running around with USB keys. Brand name companies, manual installs, patching a BIOS is like a major event, or they just ignore it. And that means they can't keep up with their software. And so, the nice thing is in this community we've said that's not acceptable, right? You can't say I'm going to patch once a year or once every 6 months and it's a major production. We have to get to this much faster, more nimble design. And for us, that means driving that to the bare metal, right down to the silicon.
Boy, and that's exciting for companies to finally get that continuous culture of excellence and experimentation even down to the hardware layer.
What we call a continuously integrated data center.
So, awesome. Well, thank you for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Really interesting stuff.
We're excited to be working with Rancher and doing K3S stuff, and that's a really big deal to us, so we're very excited about it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So, that's us again, live from KubeCon here in San Diego, and we'll see you in a little while.